The high-power Spot Clean machine is a compact and efficient solution for tackling tough messes around your home. With its powerful suction and targeted spray, it's designed to make quick work of spills, pet stains, and embedded dirt on a variety of surfaces. Unmatched stain-fighting power. Equipped with a 750-watt motor and a powerful 15 kPa suction, this machine is engineered to deliver a deep clean. The high-pressure spray penetrates deep into fabric fibers, loosening stains and allowing the strong suction to extract both liquids and dirt. This combination ensures that even stubborn spots from food, spills, or mud are effectively removed, leaving your surfaces looking fresh and clean. Portable and easy to use. The Spot Clean machine's compact and portable design makes it incredibly convenient to use. Its lightweight body and comfortable handle allow you to carry it effortlessly to any room or even to your car for a quick clean. The flexible hose with a handheld attachment provides a versatile reach, so you can easily target hard-to-reach areas. The long power cord also gives you the freedom to move around without constantly searching for a new outlet. Simple maintenance. Cleaning the machine after use is a breeze. The design allows you to easily flush the hose, helping to remove any hair or debris left inside, and ensuring the machine stays in top condition for its next use. This simple maintenance routine helps prolong the life of the machine and ensures consistent performance. In summary, the high-power Spot Clean machine is a must-have for anyone looking for a powerful and convenient way to deal with unexpected messes. Its ability to instantly remove tough stains, combined with its portable design and simple maintenance, makes it an invaluable tool for keeping your home and car spotless. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Smart Home Hub for more tech reviews, tips, and tutorials.